Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use sort and filter option in Excel 2010. Just open Excel worksheet. You can see here weekly attendance sheet, and these are the names of students. I want to display these names in ascending order, means alphabetical order. How can I do that? Just select all the record which you want to make ascending and go to the sort and filter. You can see sort A to Z and sort Z to A option. Sort A to Z means ascending order. It will display all your record which are A first and B second and C third, and sort Z to A means it will display your record Z first and Y second and so on. I want to make ascending order. Just click sort A to Z, and it will ask you to option expand the selection and continue with the current selection. If I use the continue with the current selection, it means it only apply these selections. Rest of the record will not be disturbed. But if I use the expand the selection, it means if Arman record will be displayed in first line, all of Arman record will be displayed in first line. Just click expand the selection and sort. You can see Arman record will be displayed in first line, and all of Arman record also will be displayed in first line. It is very good technique to use sorting. You can also apply filter option. Just select all your record which you want to make filter and go to the sort and filter. You can see here a option filter, and you can also use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift L. Just click here and filter will be applied, and I want to see those record of students who are present on Monday. Just click this arrow and uncheck select all option and check only P record and click OK. It will display all the records of students who are present on Monday. If you want to display all the records, check select all and click OK. Now I want to display those records who are absent on Wednesday. Just uncheck it and check A. It will display those record of students who are absent on Wednesday. Just select check all the records. It will display all the records. You can see the sort and filter option is very useful in Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.